Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking at using long division to divide by two-digit numbers, that is two-digit divisors. Exactly the same principles involved as dividing by a one-digit number, but perhaps a little bit trickier for some. So remember from the previous video, that is if you've checked that video out. If you haven't, there's a link in the description below, and there will be a link to that video at the end of this one as well, just so you can double check that you've got everything in order before you start working with the bigger numbers. First thing we need to do is check out our divisor here, which is 14, and we'll write down the times table for that divisor. So in this case we're going to write down our 14 times tables. I always like to do this. It's extremely useful because it just gives us a really good helping hand so that we don't really need to think too much once we actually get cracking with the division calculation. Now, I did mention in my previous video that the times tables only need to be written up to 9 times, and that is because you cannot write a number larger than 9 at the top of the bus stop calculation here. It will not go. A single digit number is all you can have. If you put a 10 on there, that involves a 0, and put in a 1 somewhere else, and it all gets very, very confusing indeed. So, here we go. How many 14s go into 3? That's 0. How many 14s go into 39? 1, 2, 3 would be too big, so it's 2. And that gives us a 28 to bring down here. 9 take away 8, 1. 3 take away 2, 1. Bring our 7 down to here. How many 14s in 117? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that gives us 112. So, pop our 112 down there. Subtract again. 7 take away 2 is 5. And then a couple of zeros. 1 take away 1 and 1 take away 1. And our final column here, bring it all the way down and put our 6 there. And how many 14s in 56? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that gives us 56. And let's just double check, make our subtraction, check for any remainders at all. So 6 take away 6 is 0, and 5 take away 5 is 0. That's it for that calculation. So 3,976 divided by 14 is 284. No remainders, no messing. Okay, let's have a look at another example, and let's make the numbers a little bit bigger. So let's have a look at 14,092 divided by 52. So once again we will write out the times table for our divisor. Yes, sometimes these numbers get a little bit big, but don't think of it as your times tables. Think of it as repeated addition. So we'll start with 52, and then if we add 50, we get 102. Add 2, 104. Add 50, 154. Add 2, 156. Add 50, 206. Add 2, 208. And so on and so on. Just partition the number as you've done many, many times before, and then add the tens and add the units. It's really simple, really straightforward. Okay, remember we only need to write 9 of them out. That's the most we will ever need. Okay, let's have a look. 52 into 1. No, it does not go. 52 into 14 does not go. So how about 52 into 140? Well, that goes once, twice, twice. And that gives us 104. So let's do our subtraction. 0 take away 4. We cannot do that. So let's just cross that out there and put that there. So we get our 6. 3 take away 0 is 3. And 1 take away 1 is, of course, 0. Now then, we'll bring our 9 down, just as we did in the previous example, and now we've got 369. So 1, how many times does 52 fit into 369, should I say? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that gives us 364 to put down here. So 7 was 364. Do our subtraction. So 9 take away 4 is 5. 6 take away 6 is 0. 3 take away 3 is 0. Bring our 2 down, and that gives us 52. And how many 52s in 52? Well, that's just the 1, leaving us with the 52 here. Subtract them, and we'll get the zeros. Ran out of room at the bottom of the screen. That was quite a big one. Okay, so The answer to 14,092 divided by 52 is 271. That's really all there is to long division when dividing by a 2-digit number. 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and so on. The principle always remains the same. Write out the times table for the divisor down the side and step it down in this way using the subtraction. Make it really easy on yourself and you'll be absolutely fine. If you like the videos and you find them helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The link is on the bottom right of your screen now. That's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.